morning class. Now today we are going to study about dynamics of development, which is our new chapter number 9. So in this chapter we are going to study about human resource. What is human resource? It is used to describe the individuals who make up the workforce of an organization. Although it is also applied in labor economics. For example, we can say business sector or even the whole nation. It can also be called the human capital or manpower. Now, next term is human resource management. Human resource management, that is HRM, or we can simply say HR. It is the management of an organization's workforce to make them more productive and contented in their work. It is also a framework for the expansion of human capital within an organization through the development of both the organization as well as the individual to achieve performance and improvement. And the objective of this human resource is to foster human resourcefulness through enlightened and cohesive policies in education, training, health and employment at all levels from corporate to nation. Human resource development, it is the integrated approach that uses training, organization and career development to improve individual, group and organizational effectiveness. This human resource development, it also enables the individuals in organization to perform current and future jobs through planned learning activities, while the bonuses, paid holidays, house allowance, medical benefit, etc. These are also good for the employees. The company benefits through increased efficiencies and productivity among employees. And some of the ways to motivate the employees, they are to introduce flexi time and to offer employees a corporate membership, to look after those people that matter to your employee and compensate your employee. Other human resource development practices may include executive and supervisory management in development, new employee orientation, professional skills training, technical job training, customer service training, sales and marketing training. Next topic is automation. What is automation? Automation, it is the use of machines, control systems and information technologies to optimize productivity in the production of goods and services. In terms of industrialization, automation is a step beyond mechanization. Mechanization, it provides human operators with machinery to assist them with the muscular requirement of work. Automation also has impacted the world beyond industries. For example, the telephone operators have been replaced by the telephone switchboards and answering machines. The teller machines or ATM has reduced the need to visit the banks. The fast working computers have reduced the work of humans a lot. Automation has been responsible for the shift in the world economy from industrial jobs to service jobs in the 20th and 21st century. There are some advantages and disadvantages of automation also, but we will discuss these advantages and disadvantages in the next video. Till then, take care. Thank you so much.